Hello viewers, welcome back. So what you can see now is the Campbell flywheel system. This is one of my favorite and dearest patents available on the internet, by which you can allegedly achieve overunity with the drive input motor, and you can achieve equal or even higher power on the output on the generator by using a simple system of drive pulleys and one flywheel. This patent is amazing to me because it's so simple to be reconstructed. So you can see now this assembly which is happening in front of me, and really it's really simple. But not to waste time here, let's get back to the big screen and see what are dimensions and weights of this flywheel for this to work. Well, so we are now on the big screen, and really, isn't that something? Yeah, this really drive pulley system looks pretty amazing, especially now when it's spinning. But now when this spinning is over, I will try to explain what's behind this and what are dimensions imagined for this to work. So let's see. So you will see. So first of all, we have three drive pulleys: smaller to bigger, bigger to smaller, and bigger to smaller. And you obviously can see that the first one is spinning much slower than the last one, which is what we want to achieve in the end, because in the end, on the output, we want to have a higher power than we invested into the input. So we want to achieve overunity. So what are dimensions of these drive pulley systems? So first of all, this one is 2.75 inches translated to 5 inches. Then the second one, now when this spins around, the second one is 8 inches translated to 4 inches. And the last one is 9 inches translated to 4.5 inches. And the key of all of this is, of course, the flywheel on the last drive pulley system. And this flywheel is something which we expect that it can bring a kinetic energy, which can, on the output, if we connect, so the input is here, so we would connect here the drive motor. So the motor would be connected to the 50 Hz 220 volt system, and then have, of course, speed of 1500 RPMs. And with such a drive pulley system, you can see that the last one is spinning approximately with a double speed, so that would be like 3000 RPMs. And obviously 3000 RPMs would give by logic higher power, but this wouldn't be possible without this flywheel, which is a 10 kilogram flywheel, which actually retains some kinetic energy invested on the drive input motor, which will be connected here, so that on the output motor, which could be even a higher power than the input, could produce, so alternator or generator on the output would produce a more power than the input. So this could be a self-sustained system. So a really interesting patent. So this drive pulley, Campbell, you can find it on YouTube and you can search it around. I didn't see the exact patent drawings like on Google Patents page, like for much of my other videos, but this is really interesting. And now when you see this assembly once again, which is going, it's not needed much of components to make this patent or try it. And really, I would really like to test it if I knew the exact. So it said that this flywheel has only 10 kilograms, which is not big weight. So when you spin it around, you need really small force to continue this rotation. And in the end, I'm really interested in the output, if the output power can really be enough so that we could supply the input generator and make the system self-sustaining. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful animation of the Campbell flywheel system. And for next motor, just stay tuned on my channel. Bye bye.